If you mix these two verbs, you will sound strange in German. Hi everyone, this is German Made Simple by Kevin. Today we are going to make two very important German verbs easy and clear, geben and nehmen. These two verbs are used every single day and many learners confuse them. But once you understand the direction, everything becomes simple. Let's start with geben. Geben means to give. The movement is always from you to another person. You have something and you pass it to someone else. So I say, ich gebe dir das Buch. I give you the book. I have the book and I move it from me to you. That is geben. Another example, gibt seiner Mutter Blumen. He gives his mother flowers. Again, the movement is from him to his mother. That is geben. Now imagine you are at home and your friend is with you. You have the phone and you pass it to your friend. Ich gebe dir das Handy. That is geben. Always away from you. Now let's look at nehmen. Nehmen means to take. The movement is towards you. So I say, ich nehme das Buch. I take the book. The book moves from the table to me. That is nehmen. Another example, sie nimmt den Schlüssel. She takes the key. The key comes to her. That is nehmen. So let's compare. If the object goes from you to someone, use geben. If the object comes to you, use nehmen. Now let's use both in one situation. You have a key in your hand. You give it to your friend. Ich gebe dir den Schlüssel. Your friend takes it. Du nimmst den Schlüssel. This is a perfect example of how Germans think. One person gives, one person takes. Now another situation. You are in the kitchen. There is a glass on the table. You pick it up. Ich nehme das Glas. Then you walk to your friend and give it to them. Ich gebe dir das Glas. Take first. Give second. Nehmen, then geben. Let's do one more. Your mother gives you a bag. Sie gibt mir die Tasche. You take the bag. Ich nehme die Tasche. Again, from her to you is geben. To you is nehmen. This is not about grammar tables. This is not about rules. This is about movement and direction. Geben is always away from you. Nehmen is always towards you. If you train your brain to see the movement, you will stop translating and you will start thinking in German. So remember, if it goes from you, use geben. If it comes to you, use nehmen. Simple, clear. This is how Germans think. And this is German Made Simple by Kevin.